Good day, Madam and Sir. My name is Annalisa Carrios. I am 30 years old and I am Roman Catholic and I am single. I'm senior high school graduate for 2 years electronics. I work as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia. Here in the Philippines, my main duties and responsibilities cooking for the 2 kids only and mopping floor and wiping windows, washing clothes, ironing and fixing bed. And I love taking care of children. I give them food on time and vitamins and take a bath every day, and I prepare him shoes, uniform and bags, and I love them as my own nephew. I am honest and loyal and responsible. Please choose me as your worker and I will do my best to finish the contract for 2 years. Sir, Madam, thank you.